Is your Ecovacs Deebot T9 doing the robot, but not in a good way? Just endlessly spinning in circles before giving up completely? So, what's causing this dizzying display? Our expert diagnostics point to a single culprit, a faulty wheel module. Over time, the internal sensors or motor within one of the wheels can fail, confusing your robot's navigation system and trapping it in a frustrating loop. But don't despair and definitely don't kick it. Here at RoboCare, we have the precise solution. Our certified technicians aren't just generalists, they're specialists who know these machines inside and out. We don't guess. We use professional diagnostic equipment to pinpoint the exact electronic failure within the wheel module. This allows us to confirm the root cause with 100% certainty. The solution isn't a temporary fix. We perform a full replacement of the faulty wheel module with a genuine component designed to last. This ensures your Deebot's navigation system functions perfectly, just like it did out of the box. And now we'll show you the results. And just like that, it's back to work. After our expert repair, it's navigating perfectly, cleaning efficiently, and tackling dirt like it's brand new. That's the RoboCare difference. Hear what our customers have to say about their RoboCare experience.
So if your robot is acting up, whether it's spinning in circles or doing something else weird, don't give up on it. I can't recommend RoboCare enough. Just give them a call. They're true professionals who know exactly what they're doing. They took a situation that was super frustrating and just solved it.
Robot vacuum problems? We have the solution. Visit our website or call us today to schedule your repair.